Show me. My Lord, you are conducting their case for them. You are the one running their case for them. Let them show me that the prosecution, show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down.
You have the right to appeal after
No, my Lord. This is a perversion of the cause of justice. This is not law. It is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse nullity and illegality.
Can you let him
it's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord. You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. You must show me.
Excuse him.
Show me. Show me where it says so. Show me. Show me where it says so.
Excuse him.
Is that why you brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today?
Please.
You didn't bring it before. You brought it today?
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. Show me.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. I said, show me. Show me.
Excuse.
Show me.
Get the microphone from him.
No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I said, leave it. It's a court of law. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I have to speak. I'm under trial and I have to speak. Listen to me. Listen to me, please. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. And I must address the court.
Please,
wait. No, listen to me. Please. The judge must listen to me. No. Wait. Wait. I'm asking a very simple question. No. Wait. Please. Look, this is Supreme Court. Wait, hold on. This is Supreme Court here. Hold on a second. Hold on. I said hold on.
Please.
This is not a court of law. It's not a court of law. What you're doing is not law. You don't know the law. Show me. I said show me where you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. It's what the Constitution says. Show me. Show me. You cannot show me. You cannot show me. You cannot show me because you don't know the law. You can't show me. Wait, hold on a second. Don't touch me.
That is the confrontation that happened at the court today. Nnamdi Kanu will be spending 20 years of his life in a prison or even more. Yes, that is what is going to happen. And they have this to say to those who persecuted him.
God will punish you now and forever. Criminals. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment in this court is rubbish. Ask him where is the law. Ask him what to show. Where is the law? Where is the law?
It's so saddening to see that when some people from the northwest and northeast are being rehabilitated, others from the southeast are being prosecuted. Sad. They all committed the same offense. According to Justice Omotosho, if you at any point in time instigate violence or even carry out the violence, you have committed an act of terrorism. We have people who killed, who raped, who burned down communities, who slaughtered our army generals, who destroyed our government institutions, being rehabilitated and returned back into the community. Even stand a chance of becoming the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
For everyone, you need to come on board. Boko Haram should lay their arms unconditionally and be accepted in the community. Opportunities are out there for them. They can be rehabilitated. An ex-Boko Haram stands having laid his arms and comes back, turns his way away from his negativity. He stands to be a president of this country. He stands to aspire to any position in this country.
But another person from the southeastern region whom wants a country of its own or justice for his people and could not, at the end of the day, he made utterances. Yes, he made utterances, which personally I have said several times that he shouldn't have said some of those things. He made utterances, that didn't sit well with many people, including myself. And those utterances are now haunting him, and they are saying he has committed a treasonable offense, and therefore he has received his sentence. Okay, haven't we seen a person like Sunday Igboho, who also make some statement that can be related to that which Nnamdi Kanu made, but they have discontinued his case. The free man. So what is going on? Is this the persecution of the Ndigbo, or it is just selective judgment? The judge says that the Supreme Court have settled the case, that the court have the jurisdiction to hear the case. But what about the case, the part that the Supreme Court said that he should be released?
Those people of Biafra, IPOP, a pro-tribe organization, did commit an act in furtherance of acts of terrorism against the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the people of Nigeria by making a broadcast received and heard in Nigeria within the jurisdiction of this court, the population, and you threatened that people will die, the whole world will stand still, and you thereby committed an offense punishable under Section 1, Sub 2B of the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013.
What about that part? No, that one don't be legal. You see? So double standard, hypocrisy here and there is the problem. And that is the reason why this country can't move forward. See, as an Igbo person watching me right now, calm down. Bokuma, calm down. Umayo. No go run any protest, so just chill. They have had their way. There is nothing you can do. They have suppressed you, they have oppressed you. There is nothing you can do. Remember the Civil War in 1960? For 3 good years. You were killed, there was a massacre, you were starved, women, children to death, and all of that. And after the war, when you go one side, what happened? How many pounds were given to your father, to your father's fathers? And how have they been able to build themselves to what they are today? Build your community in the Igbo. Go back home and build your states. Develop your region and restrain from any form of violence. Ignore the government. Ignore the propaganda. Don't partake in any form of violence. Just continue to develop the place. Go to Spain. There is a place called the Catalonians. They want to have a country of their own, but unfortunately, it has not materialized. But have you seen them destroying the Barcelona stadium and fighting and all of that? Hell no. So what do? Stay calm. Keep developing your place. And, trusting God. That is all we can do in this country now. We trust God. If you need to negotiate with the government and tell them the reasons why they should give you. If they said, okay, some part of Benue or that from here cannot be part of your Biafra, Nwano, you can. If 5 states, 5 of your states, you can make a nation, right? And then you look at yourself, love your neighbors, love yourself, right? Number 1, love yourself, love your neighbors. Stay away from any confrontation with the federal government. Already, your region is not experiencing what is going on in northeast, right? But there is more military presence in your region. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So what do? Avoid any confrontation. Just develop yourself, develop your region. Hold your governors and House of Reps, senators accountable. Let them bring dividends of democracy to your region. And then in the future, you can negotiate just like Nigeria negotiated with Britain to have a country of their own from colonial. Assume that you are under colonialism right now. Nigeria is colonizing you right now. Just assume it. And then, you can negotiate your way out. No fights, nothing. No confrontation. Because you can see the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is passing through all of these things is because of his attitude, he's arrogant, his confrontation to the government, his this and that is the reason why they are convicting him. You see, this is the reality. This is the reality. We had Northern Elders Forum Abiyawa the other day. You saw the video, right? I made a video that's 9 months ago, right? Where They say that the country should be divided, that this unholy marriage can no longer stand, that the Igbos should go, that they're ungrateful people. You see, they say you are ungrateful people. I don't know how, right? And I've always been saying this thing. Igbo is the reason why this country is like this. If you remove Igbo out of the equation, maybe you will know the true color of Nigeria as a state. Mineral resources, they are not developing the region, nothing. They are your problem. Then allow them to go now. You say no. Why punishing them? For what? They must be here. Okay. Do you have any oil well in the 5 states that you are harnessing that? Anyway, let me have your take at the comment section regarding the judgment today that has been passed by Justice Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja and the altercation that you have seen earlier, that came out from the courts. Let's have your take regarding this. What do you think, will be the fate of Ndi? The courts will rely on the uncontroverted evidence of the prosecution. This court therefore finds that the prosecution has discharged Count 1 beyond reasonable doubt. Consequently, the defendant Kanu is hereby convicted in respect of Count 1.
Some middle belt states from the Federal Republic of Nigeria to form Biafra. The defendant was also bent on achieving his objective with the use of violence, and he didn't mind if his own people die in that process. As one of the crucial elements in establishing crime, the intention and the knowledge with which the defendant carried out the acts can be expressed by him. If not so expressed, can be deduced from his conduct or activities or other connected circumstances. See Berede and Federal Republic of Nigeria. From the uncontroverted evidence led by the prosecution, particularly the broadcast contained in Exhibit PWW, it is clear that the defendant committed acts preparatory to and in furtherance of terrorist acts. The defendant had the opportunity to explain, but failed and deliberately refused to take that opportunity. Thus, he did not place any evidence before this court to explain the context of the said broadcast or any reason which may be exculpatory in his favor. Having failed and deliberately refused to enter defense or give explanation, the court will rely on the uncontroverted evidence of the prosecution. This court therefore holds that the prosecution has established count 1 of the charge beyond reasonable doubt. Consequently, the defendant is hereby convicted in respect of count 1.
Oh, Justice Omotosho ruled. Good night, Nigeria.
An order. This motion, my lord, was filed on the 12th day of November, praying this honorable court for the following reliefs. An order referring the substantial constitutional questions raised in this trial to the Court of Appeal pursuant to Section 2952 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and an order staying further proceedings pending the determination of those referred questions. The supporting affidavit was deposed to by my younger brother, Prince Emmanuel Kanu, together with all annexures. My lord, my written address filed in support of the motion, wherein I adopted and argued the 3 jurisdictional issues submitted to your lordship for your determination. There was also a further and better affidavit and my reply on points of law filed in answer to the respondent's counter affidavit and written address. My lord, I respectfully urge your lordship to deem all these processes as argued and to grant the reliefs exactly as set out on the motion paper. And in a brief overview of what is contained in my motion, my Lord, my contention is very simple. That ab initio, this court lacks jurisdiction to try me, that this very court is a material defiance of an appellate court judgment, the Supreme Court, with specific regards to count 7, which does not exist in the laws of this very country, and which the Supreme Court mandated this very court to amend. That hasn't happened. The presence of count 7 on this charge sheet, my Lord, nullifies this entire proceedings completely and totally, because count 7, my Lord, does not exist in the laws of this very country. When I reply on points of law, I will make specific references to the ratio that came down from the Supreme Court, where my Lord Lawal Garba explicitly stated that count 7 should be changed. That hasn't been done, my Lord, and this court is in contempt of the Supreme Court binding order. My Lord,